Pieces of legislation taking effect yesterday, an act that aims to redirect children accused of low-level crimes. Tonight, KLTV 7's Shakina Davis has more on how this could help keep kids out of the system.
According to House Bill 3186, the goal is to keep at-risk youth and those living with mental illness from going deeper into the criminal justice system while still holding them accountable for their actions.
If you push a kid further in the system, a lot of times their recidivism goes up. That's why we try not to place kids if we don't have to. We try not to detain kids if we don't have to.
Angelina County Juvenile Probation Chief Mark Gorman says in municipal and justice courts, youth ages 10 to 17 are more often involved in non-traffic Class C misdemeanors. This includes public intoxication, theft of any value less than $100, assault without any injury, and more.
If they don't pose a danger to the public, then in most cases we try to release them, work with them in the community with diversionary programs first.
Experts believe early identification and intervention can lower relapses, system involvement, and give youth access to needed services.
Here we have several different diversionary programs, and those diversionary programs include anything from classes and receiving a certificate. A lot of it depends on what the offense is, but basically they would complete a class and their case would be dismissed.
Angelina County has an 11-bed detention center which currently holds 9 youth.
They're awaiting a court date for their final destination disposition, whether that's placement, probation, and or in a lot of cases Texas Juvenile Justice Department, which is basically prison for youth.
Gorman believes leaving low-risk youth in a facility is a risk factor.
There is evidence out there that does show that if you put low-risk kids with high-risk kids, you can make those kids high-risk. So that's the idea of basically giving those kids a shot and diverting them away from the system.
Shakina Davis, KLTV 7 News.
Courts are required to implement a youth diversion plan no later than the 1st of next year.